Insert Series PC2500 for KORLOY's hardened steel machining. PC2500 series was developed to improve a problem in machining hardened steel, or the chipping and quick wear of the cutting edge. The abrasion resistance was improved by applying high-toughness, ultra-fine base material technology, and by applying post-coating treatment technology, the surface roughness was improved for enhanced productivity and stable lifetime. The PC2500 grade, along with PC2505, the hardened steel for HRC45 grade or higher, and PC2510 for pre-hardened steel of HRC35 to 50 grade, is optimized for roughing hardened steel. With excellent abrasion resistance, PC2505 is for machining of ultra-hard material. It demonstrates excellent tool life when processing high-hardness steel of HRC45 or higher, after heat treatment and when machining press die. PC2510 is for machining of hardened steel and pre-hardened steel. It is optimized for wet processing with high heat stock. To optimize for crack and heat shock wet processing, it applies ultra-fine high-tensile base material based on stable toughness. The PC2500 series is designed for high feed rate, high depth, and high cracking areas. It boasts excellent chipping resistance and breakage resistance. In addition, it improved productivity with high chip removal rate. Even in hardened steel machining, which is difficult to do at high speed, it increased the work efficiency, enabling various machining such as flat machining, curved machining, pocket machining, and right angle machining. With the Insert Series PC2500 for hardened steel machining, begins KORLOY's innovation for perfect machining. KORLOY.